Can you do pink, blue and purple next? Or pastels? Let's do it. First, you are my biggest inspiration. Oh, I really love when you guys put sweet comments like this. It makes me so happy to know that I can inspire you guys. Okay, so I've got the colours, all pastels, just like you asked. Let's go in with the pink one first. Squeeze it out. We're gonna go pink right here on the outer corner. Oh, ooh, blue next. Squeeze. I'm gonna go in the center right here and on the top of it. Purple last. Squeeze. Purple right on the outer corner. Now we mix. Oh, what happened there? Oh, let me clean this up. All cleaned up. It's actually blended together so nicely. You didn't say whether or not you wanted a gloss, but I feel like this would look really good with a clear gloss on top, so I'm gonna add a gloss. I hope you don't mind. Got my gloss. Gonna glaze over the top. Oh, I like it. These colors just remind me of like candy floss or unicorns. What do you guys think? Do you prefer it with the gloss or without the gloss? I know it makes my teeth look yellow though, but never mind. Comment and let me know what other color combination you guys want to see, and whoever's comment gets the most likes is the one I will do next. Thanks for watching.